A washing machine spins, but does it actually clean? Because rotation alone doesn't guarantee dirt removal. This is washing performance testing, conducted as per IS 14155, and it answers one critical question: how effective is your washing machine? Let's start with the challenge. Clothes come with stains, dirt load, and fabric variation. In this test, we use standardized test fabrics with defined stains. Now, we run a controlled wash cycle and measure cleaning efficiency. If performance is poor, there's residual stains, unequal cleaning, or wash ineffectiveness. Because the key question is your machine cleaning or just moving clothes? If cleaning efficiency is low, fail. Because in real life, users expect visible results, stains must be removed, and performance must be consistent. This test ensures washing performance and user satisfaction. This is not just testing, this is validation of real cleaning performance. Because in washing machines, results matter more than motion. At Presto Laboratories, we don't just test rotation, we verify how clean your clothes actually get.